So one way to find factors of a number is to do what we call divide down the number line. And you start with 1 and you go 2, 3, 4, 5, and you keep going until you can't go any farther. And so you ask yourself, I'm going to start with finding the factors of 24, and I'm going to do 24 divided by 1. And I can divide every number by 1. So 24 divided by 1 is 24, and 1 is a factor. Now I'm going to go to the second number on the number line, to 2. Can I do 24 divided by 2 and get a whole number, a number that doesn't have any remainders or leftover? And I can. 24 divided by 2 is 12, and so 2 is a factor of 24. Then I'm going to go to the next number on the number line, to 3. 24 divided by 3. And when I put that in my calculator, I get 8, and a whole number with no remainders. And so 24 divided by 3 equals 8, and 3 is a factor of 24. And then I go to the next number on the number line, to 4. 24 divided by 4. And when I put that in my calculator, I get 6, no leftovers. So 4 is a factor of 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And then I go to 5 and I do 24 divided by 5, and I get a leftover. I get a decimal point. And so 5 is not a factor of 24. So 5 is not a factor. And I go to the next number, 6. 24 divided by 6 gives me 4. And then I go to the next number, 7. 24 divided by 7. I do not. When I put that in the calculator, I do not get a whole number. I get a leftover. So 7 is not a factor. Go to the next number, 24 divided by 8. And guess what? It works. 24 divided by 8 is 3, no leftovers. So 8 is a factor. Then I go to 9 and I get not a whole number. I get a leftover. I get a decimal or a remainder. Same if I go to 24 divided by 10. Nope. I get 2 and something left over. 24 divided by 11. Nope. 24 divided by 12. Oh yeah, I got 2. 24 divided by 12, so that one works. 24 divided by 13. 24 divided by 14. Did not work. 24 divided by 15. Did not work. 24 divided by 16. Nope. 24 divided by 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, 24 divided by 24, I get 1. So I can see that my factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. But I could have stopped. What do you notice? I have factor pairs. And what do I mean by factor pairs? So I have 1 and 24. I can see those right there. 2 and 12. 3 and 8. 4 and 6. And if I go to my next pair, look at that. It's just the opposite. So right here, I start repeating. And I could have stopped right here when I started repeating, and I could have stopped dividing down the number line because I have 6 and 4, 8 and 3, 12 and 2, 24 and 1, which is just in the opposite direction. You can see that these numbers right here are these numbers right here, and they started repeating. So my factor pairs for 24 are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6, and I found those by dividing down the number line. So that's one way that you can find all of the factors of a number, is to divide down the number line.